Now, I finished reading this book, Sunflower House. And in the book, a little boy got sunflower seeds and he put them in the ground and he made sunflowers grow. And that really got me thinking, how do seeds grow? So I found this book. The book is called How a Seed Grows. And I thought that this would be the perfect book to answer my question. So come along with me and we can read the book together, because I bet that you're also wondering how a seed grows. In this book, it tells us the answer and it gives us directions for an experiment that we can do at home to learn more about how seeds grow. So pay attention and maybe you could even do this experiment at home. A seed is a little plant. It is a plant that has not started to grow. Apple trees and daisies, carrots and corn, clover and wheat, they all grow from seeds. Here is a tree seed. Someday it will be a tree like this. Here is a flower seed. Someday it will be a flower like this. Some seeds grow slowly. These are the seeds of oak trees. An oak tree grows very, very slowly. Suppose you planted an oak tree seed. You would be a father or a mother or even a grandfather or a grandmother, and the oak tree would still be growing. Some seeds grow fast. This is a bean seed. It grows very fast. It grows so fast that it becomes a bean plant in just a few weeks. You can plant bean seeds yourself. We use pole beans, and you can use pole beans or bush beans or lima beans. You can plant the seed in an eggshell or tin cans or old cups or little flower pots. Be sure that your containers have holes in the bottom. We used eggshells. We used a pencil to make holes in the eggshells. We filled 12 eggshells with soil like this. We made a hole in the soil with our finger like this. When you have made a hole in the soil, plant a bean in it. Plant one seed in each hole. Then cover the seed with soil. Sprinkle the soil carefully with a little water. Number the shells. Write the number 1 on the first shell, and then put the number 2 on the next shell. Keep going until all of the shells are numbered from 1 to 12. Put all the eggshells in an egg carton. Put the carton in sunlight on a windowsill. Some bean seeds grow faster than others. Our seeds began to grow in 3 days. Your bean seeds may take a little longer. You won't be able to see your seeds growing yet. They start to grow under the soil, where you can't see them. Water your seeds a little every day. The water soaks into the seed. The seed begins to grow. More water soaks into the seeds, and the seeds get fatter and fatter. Wait for 3 days. and dig up seed number 1. It may be soft. It may be fat. Maybe it will look the same as it did before. Soon, the seed will grow so fat that its skin will pop off. In 2 more days, dig up seed number 2. Maybe it will look different now. Maybe the skin of the seed will be loose. Now a root starts to grow. The root grows from one side of the bean. The root pushes down into the soil, down, down, down. Dig up seed number 3. Can you see the root? Does it look like this? If you do not see a root, wait for another day. Then dig up seed number 4. After a few more days, dig up seed number 5. Something else is happening. Little roots will be growing from the big root. They look like tiny white hairs. They are called root hairs. Day after day, the roots and the root hairs push down into the soil. Day after day, the bean seeds are pushed up. The soil is pushed aside. Watch your seeds. Soon, you will see pale shoots pushing through the soil. A shoot is the beginning of a green plant. A shoot grows towards the sun. Watch your seeds. Some may come through the ground. Some may have broken open. Maybe some of your seeds have not started to grow. How many are growing? Count them. The bean seeds grow fast. The shoots turn green. The leaves come next. Now your bean seeds are bean plants. They look like this. How many of your bean seeds are bean plants? A seed needs many things to grow. It needs soil and water and sun. If a seed has all 3 things, it will grow into a plant. It will grow into the same kind of plant that it came from. Well, I learned a lot from that book. I hope that you have fun doing that experiment at home. See you later.